Budoya.
Chenu.
Iya bunde.
Kàyéfì ńlá mọ̀ rẹ̀
na white club fire bunde matter about
nípa rògbòdìyàn tí ń lọ káàkiri ẹ̀rọ ayélujára látún ní kàkọ́mù wa nípa ìyẹn ní ilẹ̀ Ìgbò lọ́hùn ní Enugu àti Àsàbà tẹ́ bá gbàgbé arákùnrin native doctor tí wọ́n mú láìpẹ́ yìí ó ti tú ọ̀rọ̀ ìsàlẹ̀ kòkó kódà ó ti list gbogbo àwọn táwọn ẹjọ́ wà nínú ẹgbẹ́ agbénipa àti ẹgbẹ́ Afini Sogun Owo ìyẹn native doctor àwọn tí ẹ̀yin ènìyàn ò fojú sí irú àwọn ènìyàn mọ̀mọ́ ló pọ̀ nínú fọ́nrán yìí ẹ má jẹ́ ìgbà yìí lákòókò orí ètò ìpínlẹ̀ Ìjẹ̀ṣà gbogbo àṣírí tó tú gbogbo bí ẹ ṣe ń lo ènìyàn ibi tẹ́ ń lo àwọn ènìyàn gbogbo bí ẹ ṣe ń rí àwọn ènìyàn mọ́lẹ̀ tẹ́ ṣe ń fi àwọn ènìyàn ṣòwò gbogbo tí àwọn ọmọ yahoo ṣe ń lọ bẹ̀ tẹ́ ṣe ń lọ ń so oògùn owó tí wọ́n sọ pé yahoo làwọn ń ṣe àtàwọn tó ń kidnap tó jẹ́ pé ẹ wo àfikọ́nà Elédùmarè tó gbà lọ́rọ̀ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà níbi tó orílẹ̀-èdè dé dúró ṣùgbọ́n ẹ má bínú gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà ẹjìn tó wá lọ fi fọ́nrán hàn yín ẹ wá lọ wo fọ́nrán yìí síwájú sí ẹ má bínú bí mo ṣe wọlé ló yẹ kí n kí yín o mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà káàkiri gbogbo àgbálá ayé níbikíbi tẹ́ ẹ ti láǹfààní tẹ́ ẹ ti ń wò mí lágbára Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè ire lójú owó rí o ire lójú ọ̀la rí ire lójú gbogbo wa ọmọ rí o àní bọ́ sọ́wọ́ àgbénipa orí wa ò ní gbàbọ̀dé o ẹ má jẹ́ gbà yín lákòókò ẹ fàǹfààní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti subscribe sórí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà ẹ subscribe sórí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà kẹ́lẹ̀ mọ́ láǹfààní bàbá tó ṣe é mú fọ́nrán wá sórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa àti fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà pátápátá ẹ wo ẹ share fọ́nrán yìí ẹ jẹ́ kó kan gbogbo àwọn tí ò tí ì mọ̀ ẹ jẹ́ kó kàn wọ́n lára ntẹ́yìn náà bá fẹ́ sọ ẹ sọ sínú àpò kọ́mẹ́ǹtì wa kẹ́ ẹ láìkè ẹ wo ó kù báyìí nìbọn rò ẹ tún wá lọ gbọ́rọ̀ yìí síwájú sí i.
ihe na-achọ nwa bịakwute akpụga eze nwa na ọ yeye gị nwa ghara ịna ya n'azụ and akpụga eze nwa ya ị na-achọ ego bịakwute ebe akpụga eze nwa ya na akpụga eze nwa ya dị capable imere gị ihe ọbụla ị chọrọ bụ ihe ọma ị chọọ ịbịakwute akpụga eze nwa ya na nọmba ihe akpọ because always so many people now gwam ha mere m transfer n'ịntanet na wetara nọmba n'ịntanet ha kpọọ ya bụ nọmba onye ahụ ya ha akaụntụ akwụghị ego 370,000 naira so biko nọ maka ndị 419 jụrụ ịntanet ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ inwe kọntaktị wute akpụga eze nwanyị nọmba ị ya akpọ bụ 091 30 50 85 68 ya bụ nọmba ị ya akpọ and mwa bozezana amas natal send ọrụ ego or less na eme video call onye ọbụla na-asị na ya bụ dey pray dey show so send ihe ego ka ọrụ gị ọrụ so ya nke ịkpọ ya video call ka ị ya akpọ before i send ego ka ọ ghara ịgba ụbọchị ọzọ na asị na send ọrụ m ego ma arụrụ ọrụ biko bịara ọla as an announcement before you send all mmadụ ego n'internet because of ndị na-asị ha bi dey pray dey show n'internet ndị ahụ bụ ndị 419 ọma ka a na-akpọ dey pray dey show ọzọ ezan dey pray dey show before you send ego ime m video call ide show na ọmụ na gị na-agbọ na-ekwu because of ndị 419 jụrụ internet biko biela ọla ka ọ ghara ebe akpọ m na fon achọgide kọntaktị gị kpọọ m na fon si na isendọrọ m ego no mee ka o so na imere vidio kọl dịshọn ọmụ na gị na-agbakwuru So ekenekwe m unu. Nọmba ya akpọ 091 30 50 85 68. Here my WhatsApp number, which is before any transfer, ikpọ video call. Ekenekwe m unu. Ya gaziere unu. Ọ bụrụ na ọ na-esiri ike chọta ya bụ akpụ ugeze nwaanyị, o ya emeghị ya bụ ọgara ị chọrọ by fire by force. Is a mighty woman. Ọ dị capable imere gị ihe ọ bụla ị chọrọ. Ekenekwe m unu. Ọha na eze ekene m unu. Ụbọchị taa mara unu mma.
My name is Emmanuel South Angasi. My name is Emmanuel South Angasi. I am not the owner of the camp. Kidnapping. Yes, sir. What happened was I can't really get the actual date. I can't get it correctly. But sometime, I think last year, we did a kidnapping. Though I was not the head. I was not the one that even brought the job. But I happens to be the driver. Then this year, we did a kidnapping job again. But that one, the victim, the one of last year is Hakim, and then Danzuma. These are the two victims. That I don't know. Yes, sir. What I was told is 45 million naira from Danzuma. Then I was told that Hakim paid 80 million naira. That's what I was told.
Where did you take them to? Where you kidnapped them?
It's Sonikiri area.
Sonikiri?
Yes. I've said that.
45 million for who?
From Danzuma.
Then the Hakim?
Hakim, 80 million.
80 million.
Yes, that's what I was told.
John what? Where are you from?
I'm from Crossriver State, sir, precisely.
Which community?
Sorry, I was watching my talk. From Boki local government. Yes, sir. So I was actually involved in this thing. I was actually involved in the kidnapping that of Akim and Danjuma. I was not aware of the initial. I was not aware that it's kidnapping. I was told they have a business together. That I should just tell them where he's staying. Yes, sir.
So you are the one who told them where he's staying?
Yes, sir.
You know him before?
I was working there, sir.
Where?
In Stanley, sir.
As what?
As a staff, sir. I'm a cleaner. I left there for years. Since 2003, I resigned. I was doing my work.
How much people? Okay, some people, many people are curious about the fact that you are seeing so many viral videos and pictures praying to God. What was going on in your mind while you were praying in church?
Sir.
Hello, many people are curious because you were seen in many videos and many pictures on social media, in church and all that. So how come you didn't have a conscience, or what was going through your mind while you were praising God and you were still in that kind of business?
Sorry to say, I'm not that kind of person. I'm not into that business. I have a hand work that I do. I like interior that I do. So I was just involved in this matter that I didn't even know how to start explaining. I was not even the money given to me was not even like it was like hey, I dash you. So I was not even involved on it like fully. So it's not part of me. Everybody knows me. I mean, I do my work interior where everybody knows the work I do.
No, but we are involved in
yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I was told.
Secondly, in many of the videos,
so what should I talk again? So I was told it was 40 million. So it was 30 million. They gave me 1.5 million. That is just like that. And my mom was actually healed in the hospital. My mom was healed in the hospital. So.
The dollars they saw you.
Was not mine. Was not mine. It was. Sorry. The dollar was not mine.
Who gave you the dollar?
It was the leaders. It was their money.
The leader? Who gave you the dollar? Who's the leader?
It was a man. It was a man dollar, sir.
So Iman is the leader.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Secondly.
In one of the videos, you said you only took part in only 2 kidnappings. Why are you saying you are not part of it now?
I'm not part of it. I was just misled that I should just show them where this person is. I was not involved in it.
The sharing of the ransom they gave you.
They gave me as a dash, like just take this money. I do not do anything. They'll just take the money. That it was 1.5 million.
The $10,000 was given to you by who?
By a man, sir.
When you changed it, was it how much?
The $10 was.
When you changed it, how much?
My own money was 1.5 inside. So the
when
remaining money.
You changed the $10,000 given to you by a man.
It was 7.5 million.
Okay, secondly, in many of your videos you seem to belong to a political party and lavishing money. Which political party do you belong to?
I'm not a politician.
Why did you parade yourself as Lion? Because that is setting a confusion as if you are related to him.
That's
Why
my
did
name.
you choose that name?
That's my name.
Lion.
Yes, sir.
Lion is your name.
Yes, sir.
From your
Yes, sir. My name is Lion. It's Epa. Me Lion. Epa. Me Lion.
From your calculation, how much is the total of proceeds you have made from this from kidnapping?
Sir, I'm not gotten anything. I'm not in the business, sir.
Before Danjuma's kidnap, you approached Danjuma that you want to open an account for your children.
I did not approach Danjuma, sir. I went there to open an account for my son. I just went to the bank.
To you after kidnap?
It was 1.5. It was 3.5 million.
That's Akib Ramson was 100 million, but they are saying 80 million. Then how much was given to you on Akib's own?
It was 3.5 million, sir.
You said it was 4 million and they took it.
Yes, it was 3.5. They gave me 4. It was 4 million. They gave me. It was 4 million. They now take 500. They gave me 3.5.
Who gave you?
It was a man, sir.
Who is the man? Point the man here. The man say I point him.
The one, sir.
Okay, you have confessed to playing the role of showing the house of Danjuma. What role did you play in Akim's kidnap?
I did not play any role. I was
just gave you 3 million.
Like
No, who showed them the house of Akim? No, hold on. Let's ask
was the one, sir.
What role did you play in Akim's kidnap?
I didn't play any role. We were just driving. I showed, this is my boss house. It's my former boss house. That was it.
And you showed Akim's house?
Yes, sir.
You showed them Akim's
house? Yes, sir.
Didn't you know that your friends were kidnappers before you showed Akim's house to them?
No, sir. I was not aware, sir.
Money.
No, he said.
Why did they say they were?
He said they have business together. They have business. Yes, sir.
Why did they give
not
that
even 3
money?
million. 4 million, 4,500. That's
3.5 million. They didn't tell you why they are giving you that money.
No, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
I am not the leader. The leader of the kidnapping is Bale.
Who's Bale?
That's what I know about him.
Bale,
Yes.
Where is he from?
He's from Uluwasiri.
Where is he now?
I don't know where he is.
Why is it that you are the one distributing the ransom?
He's lying. That's his lie. He's lying.
Who is lying?
I did not give him money. No, it wasn't me that gave him money.
Who is lying?
The man behind me is lying.
So he's aware of the operation?
Yeah, he's lying. I was not the one.
Was he part of the operation? Say what happened. Say what happened.
Okay. I don't know those people from anywhere. He is the one that worked with them, not me. I don't know anything about them. He was the one that brought the job, Akim's job, and Danjuma's job. And if anyone can reason, someone that brought job will have money more than any other person. So why is he lying? Huh?
What did he tell you to do when he brought the job?
He brought the job that they sacked him from work, and they have money. So let's kidnap them. That they will pay. I knows nothing about those people. He is the one. So that's how it happened. Him lying that I was the leader, I was the one that gave him money. All those ones are big lie. It has happened. Just say the truth on how it happened, then let's see how things will go.
Can you tell us more about the true operation?
I really don't. I've said the one I know about the kidnapping. Yeah, I involved in it. But the leader is Bale. And the ransom I was told that Akim pay is 80. Then the other one is 45. That's what I know.
Where did you pay? How did you get the rifle?
The rifle, the owner of the camp will know where he got the rifle from. That I don't know.
What type of rifle do you use?
Three AK-47. I can't tell.
What about the cars?
How much did you use to buy that Toyota envelope there?
It's not me that bought it. It's my wife. It's my wife's car. She has a business, real estate. So
She bought it back.
Yes.
So how were you arrested? How were you arrested?
I was arrested in Port Harcourt.
When?
I think today makes it a month and 5 days.
How much have you got from this business? Personally?
I can't really tell. No.
The Toyota Corolla is one you bought.
No, not me.
How much have you got?
I can't really tell. Like the last job, which is Danjuma, they gave me 3.5 million and 1,500 US dollars. That's my share of the money.
Were you involved in the kidnap of Nancy Keme in 2015?
No, that was just an allegation. I wasn't.
Where do you keep your victims when you kidnap them?
I am not the owner of the camp. I've said it. It's Sonikiri. Yeah, I've said it. Sonikiri.
Keep them. Thank you very much.
You get to prison years all over the world. I use fill up the place because these guys promise.
For those of you that have been crying about release Akoko, see, listen, listen to what Governor Soludo said. Governor Soludo is no longer joking again. According to him, he said that people has been bringing reports about Akoko Tiwuraki from outside country, not even in Igbo land though. People that are bringing reports now is more than people who are saying release Akoko. He said that a lot of our people, a lot of Igbo youth has been deceived. Some of them now are in prison because of Akoko Tiwuraki. Some of them now they are in prison. They came to Akoko and do charm. Akoko will promise them, yes, go and carry the cocaine cross, nothing will happen. Some of them will go and do the business. Along the line, they will caught them, they will end up in prison. Listen to what Governor Soludo said. This one is no longer release Akoko. In my own mind, I don't think that guy will come out easily like that too. I don't think that guy will come out easily like that. Just listen to what Governor Soludo said.
You get to prison years all over the world. I use fill up the place because these guys promise them. Because we have done this charm, you can carry drug, and then the machine will not detect it. And when they are caught, the fault is told to be on them. Exactly. Maybe because you looked at a woman. That's why the child is not. So, meanwhile, you said one of the big ones that said with us, his son is a waiter in a hotel in Imo. Don't just say his son works as a waiter. Whereas he's the one promising young man, he's making how much money do you want? You want 1 billion, I will make it and get it. You will get this and so on. We have now taken samples from some of their things, just to say if there is human blood, because children are missing. Exactly. Children are missing. It's at the heart of all of this. The nexus between this, I mean, drugs in our own place, land grabbing, cultism, and then kidnapping. Because once people have been brought up with the mindset that you don't need to work, then when they try this, it doesn't work. Easy way. They try Yahoo, it doesn't work. The next is to go into kidnapping. Boy, by the institutions and the architecture, the institutions, the structure that fuels this is this whole native doctors and all of it. Who now giving them a totally different worldview, ideology, that money just can come from heaven. You don't need to work. All you need is to get the chance, and then you become a billionaire. So we want them, with part of our law. Yes, if you say you do, people can get wealthy by magical means. We'll bring you. Do it, no, I'll go and bring all the poor people, including me. We will all line up. Start making us. Meanwhile, he's going to make you a billionaire, but he needs money from you. He can't make himself.
The villager must heal himself.
Yes. No, so anyway, my brothers, I think I deeply photograph outside here.
This property belong to one of the strong Dibia native doctor wey dey for Anambra, popularly known as Akwa Okoko. My people, this property wey una dey see, this is one of the property wey im don acquire. No be all, this is one of it. As una dey see a lot of cars, mansions in this same building. Now in one of im property, na im be this. And the man, the picture, now una dey see for my screen. Now, una know say his story dey for government hand for Anambra State, where dem hold am say, not be only him, a lot of many native doctors, they hold them for there say, if you can disappear from the creek where they lock you, that means you get power, you are free totally. Since now, where they carry many of them put for there, nobody don't feel disappear from the creek. So now this man case, so they can't do investigation, they can't allegedly accuse him of 5 things. When in they do, say if they give people okite, if they give people, that is okite, people maybe say that they carry money, they to go they get money like ritual hair. Say if they give them, then all these people they go carry people from different places, they kidnap people, say if they give them what they use, they appear, they disappear like about 22 states. According to them, allegedly, many things, 5 things now they accuse him of. Now, government can say all in property, they under their own care for now. Then, after when they don't investigate the 5 things, if they free from them, then they go release him. You go not have his things back. If he found guilty, they are going to hold in property, everything, cars, houses, everything will belong to Ram. And he's going to spend for Kirikiri 20 years. My people, not be smart to know. This one, one of it will not be all. Now, my people, since they happen, a lot of youths, a lot of people are saying under the comment section, they should free the man, that the man is really helping people. This matter is strong, go. A lot of them now, they there. Nobody don't even popular this Onyeze Jesus. All of them, they there. Where they give Okiti. Nobody don't feel disappear. Now, sisters now, they say, he likely to go to 20 years Kirikiri, allegedly. But in properties now, government don't hold up. How not they see this matter? It's strong go for Anambra State.